That's why his entire hip, pelvis is shifted one side. Okay, naik. Naik. Ui. Naik. Okay, baring dulu, baring dulu. Right, we're gonna scan first. Nama? Ya, Adam. Okay, Adam lie down. Adam upper body is good. Okay, it's relatively flat. The hip, there is mild dislocation. That's why his entire hip, pelvis is shifted one side. Okay, from the back we can see his femur bone, tulang femur ni, dah inward rotation. How do we know? Look, kalau kaki biasa, baring menyarap, kaki dia begini ataupun begini. So this is called inward rotation. Another way to see inward rotation, bend the knee and we external rotate. So external rotate tu senang, tapi internal rotate tu susah sikit. Dia lebih susah untuk turun. Tapi ini senang sebab femur bone ni dah masuk ke dalam internal rotation. Okay, when we do bend, when we external rotate, it's easy. But when we internal rotate, the pelvis is lifted. Now because of the hip is dislocated, nampak? Mana tinggi? Mana tinggi? Tak ada, ini tinggi. Kanan tinggi betul tak? Which one is higher? Right or left? Kanan lebih tinggi. Panggil Adam menyarap. Tengok seluar dia macam ini kan? Seluar dia jarang macam ini kan? Kenapa? Sebab pelvis, this side is higher, this side is lower. Tengok kaki. Betul tak? Ya, betul. Okay, kakak lock sini, lock. Lock sini. Ya, that's it. So this way you can reverse internal rotation. Itu saja. Ya. Okay. Sekejap. Relax. Adjustment. Very good. Knee adjustment. Wow, very good. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Sorry. 3, 2, 1, go. One more. Alright, good. Right, we're gonna adjust femur bone. Very good. Okay, one more. Hold. 3, you count 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh, one more time. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Okay, let go. Tengok kaki dia. Dia tak masuk. Ya. Just now at rest. Yes. At rest macam ini. Sekarang, selepas adjustment, tendon, ligament, dah longgar sikit. Oleh tu, femur head can external rotate. Very good. Okay. Pop. Very good. Sini. Alright. Okay, berdiri. Alright. Okay, tolak. Berdiri, tolak. Lutut ni tegak. Tegak, ini tegak. Balance. Lurus lutut. Okay. Lurus lutut. Let him stand because when he walks, bila dia jalan, dia akan internal rotate. So for his practice, I would want him to stand. Lepas tu dia kangkang sikit. Kangkang sikit betul. Betul lagi. Okay, let him stand. Yes. You okay? Alright. Okay, done. Okay, give me 5. Ada. Give me 5.
Okay, lagi.
Ada.
Lagi.
Okay, let's go.